3.9 is going off.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
It's in Crossfordsville.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
Let me see.
substantial shelter and protect
another
yourself
one.
from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado.
TV minimums.
Producing a tornado was located over Schriever Space Force Base, or 17 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud.
Of course, train spawners again, but they reported a funnel cloud.
Oh my god, look at this strong location right here on that storm in Indiana. Look at this.
It's kind of being pixelated right now.
No, seriously, look at this storm. Look at this rotation on the
Holy shit.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The message with the word.
Okay, now that's just weird.
Fascinating that if you are you to just get a break here.
same stuff.
Gelatin,
What?
KRDO News Radio is going off once again.
National Weather Service Info has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, it's SVO this time.
Western El Paso County and east central Colorado.
Oh, wait a minute.
Pueblo County
KRDO relays SVOs.
until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Security or near Colorado Springs.
Security.
20 minutes? Like, dude, that's not bad.
Father had been the keeper of
What about this one?
Colorado, north central Pueblo County,
Another
and
one.
southeastern Colorado until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Security or near Colorado Springs.
India continues with the tornado warning for Fountain in Wayne County, Indiana.
Ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Yeah, that's really
Radar
strong.
indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows,
In vehicles, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Security Minefield around 3:20 p.m.
Oh, hold on a
Fountain
second.
around 3:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Hanover.
Play KIOL FM 94.3 in Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Schriever Space Force Base, or 18 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hanover, damaged or destroyed. Cover now. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Streaming out.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
FBI from Missouri.
I just caught it on a news station.
locations impacted include Sheetland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
You're streaming.
Mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial. Till 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fountain, Tippecanoe, and Warren.
Oh my god.
course, and of course, a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 592, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday.
Now 1 a.m. Sunday.
The following counties in Indiana: Compton, Park, Vermilion, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alexa to open 1017 The Hammer.
Inside the world again. I'm gonna keep and sing my home. And well, my team.
Exciting if they
Will be damaged or destroyed.
Polling station.
Damage to roofs, windows,
And vehicles will
What's
occur.
that? This is for the windows.
Tree damage is likely.
the Whitaker Inn.
Nope. Okay. Y95, 95.7 FM, WYCM's going off again. It's going off.
At 5:56,
This rotation
Drive
is
service
still
for
not
only 20
beginning.
destroyed. Damage to roofs,
Windows and vehicles will occur.
You're
I'll be there
streaming
soon.
WBAA.
Okay, now these two are the exact same. Wait, I'm gonna see FM 101.3 is going off.
Light County, until 6:30.
Oh, what the frick?
Time. At 5:50.
How many is that?
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brookston, or 10 miles north of.
Okay, well,
Moving northeast.
WBAA is going off.
Expected hazard.
Let me see this one.
They played a song called Train Roll.
Nope, it's only an FM station.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will
Let me try this.
include Interstate 65
Holy frick, a bunch of stations!
and 177. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh my God. Literally, this is literally insane.
Indiana.
Oh my god, Crawford's broken up.
So much.
Are you kidding me? I knew this was gonna happen. I wasn't late that time.
So observe funnel clouds with a storm. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Ground. Take cover now.
Finally, you came back from the dead.
Or she'll give you here. About 4:15 p.m. Observations in the path of this tornado include boom. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. In a mobile home,
Out of order?
move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Southeast of Lafayette to 10 miles west of Frankfurt, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms include Interstate 65 and 1 mile west. 167.
Huh?
I'm not the SVR for Indianapolis.
Yeah?
If you
It may go tornado warned. I'm pretty sure it will. I'm pretty sure it will go tornado warned eventually.
I think you ain't kidding.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Till 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clinton and
Anniversary, Saturday, August 20th.
I captured a news station.
An interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Station? Nice.
Outdoors, in a mobile home.
Make it 2!
Vehicle, move to the closest substantial
Nice.
shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued.
Yeah, WWVR's kind of messed up.
Following county, Clay, Indiana.
Got feelings. You're quite right. So when I approached her, I asked what she was doing.
Small central room in a sturdy structure. Floor of a building for your protection. Repeating, a severe on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I meant to say. Oh, flip!
These are daily time for the following counties in Indiana, Blanford, Grant, and Wells.
Okay, now you better shush right now. I ain't dealing with this crap anymore.
By this tornadic thunderstorm include Brunsville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid
WXL
windows.
72.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
WXL
move to the
62.
closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Plymouth, Iowa. Operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, this is no weather radio station WXL. Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Sac, Iowa.
Oh, I missed the station!
Summer 13.